I am going to now begin to open up our calendars and let you know kind of first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of a 50,000 foot view of, if you want to just do this by the book, kind of where these weeks would align best, where we will align those weeks and kind of where they're designed to fit. Because I know some of you really like to just do from week 1 to week 12 without too much shuffling. Then I'm going to go a little deeper into each month and each part of the season where you might want to shuffle and give you all what you need to know if you do plan to shuffle. So if we open up our planners, December starts perfectly on a Monday. So our 4 weeks of December are going to start off with our decorating week. I would place decorating week right on December 1st, the week of December 1st. Then we follow with baking week, giving week, and our winter festival. Now, of course, whenever we do a festival day in our curriculum, we kind of culminate it to the 3rd day of that curriculum. So usually it's at the end of the month, and then day 3 is your festival day. So if you want that to align to Christmas, that will perfectly align with that last week, that 4th week of December, aligning to the 25th on that Thursday. If you want that to actually align to the solstice, that is on the 21st. So this is the same week, but it's a little earlier. So that's going to be up to you if you want to scooch your festivities earlier to align your festival day to that solstice day on the Sunday, or if you just want to use that week to just celebrate and honor the solstice, or if you want to have your winter's day to align to Christmas Day on the 25th. Now, in autumn, we had our 5 weeks was in October. You were kind of able to just put in a break week whenever you want. But I will say in winter, it's a little more designed in to be that last week between Christmas and New Year's. So between the 28th and the 3rd is where I would recommend putting that break, because it's a week that we're all just kind of on break, right? So that is something that I always take that week off and then begin January. I would begin January on the week of the 5th here. And then that aligns beautifully with week 1 being cozy week on the 5th of January, week 2 ice week, week 3 snow week, week 4 game week, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it kind of helps roll into the next month really nicely. If you were to do January week 1 up here, then you can kind of get a little ahead of the rest of the months. So I would suggest, if you want to kind of go by the book, that break is this last week between, and also our stories don't really tie in New Year's per se. You could also use the winter festival to be New Year's if you want to do a few other things for Hanukkah or do a few other things for the solstice and kind of use the winter festival as New Year's. You could also do that. Always lots of options to make it work with your own family. But that's kind of my standard recommendation for that break. And then we'll come over to February. February, again, aligns really nicely. Candle week, starting on the week of the 1st and 2nd. Chocolate week is kind of our Valentine's week, which aligns right beautifully with the 14th of Valentine's Day. And then we have, ignore my notes here, that's we'll have a break in our school. So wellness week would be this 3rd week, and friendship week would be this 4th week. And so that aligns really beautifully. So if you would like to go kind of by the book, December 1, 2, 3, 4, break. January 1 through 4, February 1 through 4, and all of those should align really, really nicely with the holidays and festivals that they were kind of designed to align.